The SPYDER is an Israeli short and medium-range mobile air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems with assistance from Israel Aerospace Industries. Rafael is the prime contractor and IAI is the major subcontractor for the SPYDER program. This system achieved a notable milestone in 2005 when missiles were fired against test targets in Shdema, Israel, and scored direct hits. Since then, it has been showcased in multiple military exhibitions throughout the world. The SPYDER is a low-level, quick-reaction surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging aircraft, helicopters, unmanned air vehicles, drones, and precision-guided munitions. It provides air defense for fixed assets and for point and area defense for mobile forces in combat areas. The system is fitted atop a Tatra truck, a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck, a MAN TGS truck, Scania P-series truck, or a Dongfeng truck. It implements the Python 5 and Arby missiles of the same company. The SPYDER launcher is designed to fire Python 5 and Arby surface-to-air missiles which share full commonality with the air-to-air missiles. There are two variants of the SPYDER, the SPYDER-SR and the SPYDER-MR. Both systems are quick-reaction, all-weather, network-centric, multi-launchers, and self-propelled. A typical battery consists one central command and control unit, 6 missile-firing units, and a resupply vehicle. The SPYDER-SR uses the ELM-2106 ATAR radar while the SPYDER-MR incorporates the ELM-2084 MMR radar. The latter is the same radar used by the Iron Dome system currently in service with the Israel Defense Forces. Current operators of the SPYDER missile system include India and Singapore. The former operates the SPYDER-MR variant while the latter fields the SPYDER-SR variant. Peru's order for the SPYDER was pending as of 2012. There are reports that claim that Georgia operated the SPYDER-SR during the 2008 Russo-Georgian War, but these allegations and assumptions have never been verified. Development: in 2005, a milestone for the SPYDER air defense system was achieved. The SPYDER successfully fired the Python 5 and Arby in a test range located in Shdema, Israel. The results were 2 direct kills against a couple of targets. At the trial, the radar and command and control unit engaged the targets at long and short ranges. The trial was part of a greater series of missile firings. Exhibitions The SPYDER air defense system has been showcased in 29 military exhibitions throughout the world. These exhibitions are: Description Command and control LM-2106 ATAR. The Ultra ELM-2106 Advanced Tactical Acquisition Radar 3D Active Electronically Scan Array Surveillance Radar is the command and control unit for the SPYDER-SR. This radar can track and engage multiple targets simultaneously and can control the missile firing units at a distance of up to 10 km away from the CCU. The ELM-2106 ATAR is a fourth-generation defense radar designed by Ultra and operates in the L-band wavelength. It is a field-proven design that has operated in undesirable environments according to the designers and manufacturers. The range of detection for a fighter aircraft is 70-110 km. It can detect hovering helicopters at a range of 40 km and UAVs at 40-60 km. LM-2084 MMR. The radar sensor unit of the SPYDER-MR comprises the ELM-2084 Multi-Mission Radar 3D AESA radar. The ELM-2084 operates in the S-band. It can process up to 1,200 targets when in air surveillance mode and also detects targets located 250 km away. When the radar is static, it covers 120 degrees in the azimuth. Surface-to-air missiles Ranges of interception. As a short-range air defense system, the SPYDER-SR has a short range of interception. The maximum altitude of interception is 9 km and the maximum range of interception is 15 km. The SPYDER-MR has a greater operation range of 35 km and an altitude engagement of 16 km due to the missiles being equipped with boosters. Python 5. The Python 5 is currently the most capable air-to-air missile in Israel's inventory and one of the most advanced AAMs in the world. As a beyond visual range missile, it is capable of lock-on after launch, and has all-direction attack ability. The missile features an advanced electro-optical infrared homing seeker which scans the target area for hostile aircraft, then locks on for terminal chase. Derby. The Derby is an active radar homing AAM that provides the Spider missile system with a fire-and-forget option due to its active radar guidance. Operational use. During the Russo-Georgian War of 2008, it was believed that Georgia operated the SPYDER-SR. The Georgian Air Force could have operated up to 4 launches of the SPYDER-SR, and it is likely that the system was lost in the conflict. Operators. Current operators Georgia, Georgian Armed Forces. There were reports that a battery of the Spider missile system was operated in 2008. No official confirmation exists, and the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute arms transfer database cannot confirm this. Jane's Missiles and Rockets magazine previously cited a Rafael representative claiming that one of the 2 export customers of the Spider missile system already has theirs deployed. India. Indian Air Force. In 2006, India planned to acquire 18 SPYDER-MR systems at a cost of $395.2 million for its Air Force. The contract was reviewed by the Central Vigilance Commission, the government unregistered trademark anti-corruption agency, before the agreement was signed in September 2008. In August 2009, the multi-billion-dollar contract for Israeli anti-aircraft missiles was cleared by the Defense Acquisition Council headed by Defense Minister A.K. Antony. Although previous estimates of the contract's value was 18 billion rupees, recent reports indicate a lower value of $260 million. The Jerusalem Post contradicts these figures and mentions a price of $1 billion for the purchase of the surface-to-air missiles. The Spider systems were delivered starting in 2012. 6 Spider-MRs along with 300 Python 5 surface-to-missiles and 300 Derby SAMs were delivered by 2013. Peru, Peruvian Air Force. In March 2012. Peru chose the winners of a $140 million competition meant to upgrade its aging air defense systems out of the group of 20 defense companies. Amidst the presence of Russia's Rosoboronexport and Chinese firms, the winners were Poland's SPYDER-MR Group, Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, and the USA's Northrop Grumman. Rafael Industries is expected to supply 6 SPYDER-SR systems in this deal. Singapore, Republic of Singapore Air Force. In 2008, the Ministry of Defense ordered 2 SPYDER-SR batteries along with 75 Python 5 SAMs and 75 Derby SAMs. They were all delivered during 2011 and 2012. Some SPYDER-SRs were operated by the 165 Squadron in 2011. Vietnam. In 2015, Vietnam chose the Spider missile system as its new short-range air defense missile system. See also, Iron Dome, Arrow, Barak 1, David Sling, Iron Beam, comparison of short-range SAMs. References. Notes Citations External links, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Limited. Python 5 by Rafael, Derby by Rafael, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and IAI, Spike Missile and SPYDER-SR on YouTube, Spider Missiles of Israel Discovery Channel on YouTube, Factsheet, Surface-to-Air Python 5 and Derby, Air Defense System, Israel Aerospace Industries, ELM 2106 ATAR by Alta, ELM 2084, MMR by Alta.